Alright guys, so these two went and got some Crumbl cookie. Right here, let me bring it down. Take it down a bit. And this is what they got. Chocolate chip. What was this one again?
That was banoffee pie.
Banoffee pie. What the? Anyway, lemon. And this is what?
Dulces tres leches.
I don't know what. And I guess the boy got this for himself. And over here is another one of that same thing over here. So this is our Friday night dessert. And I'm going to have mine with coffee later. So I guess you got to give your brother his. And then I only get one. She gets 2 cookies. I don't know why she got 2 cookies instead of a cake. But this is what we're going to have.
I wasn't really feeling the cake.
For Friday night dessert. So like I said, it's Crumbl cookie. And I'm going to tell you guys what it tastes like. Well, you guys will probably see me eating my lemon. All right. And I'm going to have it with a cup of coffee. Yep, I'm going to have a cup of coffee. So I'm going to have my lemon cake from Crumbl cookie with some watermelon and a cup of coffee. I think I'm using the hazelnut. I got this whole box, I think from Save a Lot. I have a little bit of the other kind of pumpkin spice that I got from the store. But I'm going to be making a cup of coffee with it. Just a little bit of creamer. I don't need this. That's going to be my nightcap. That's about it for me. I'm going to go ahead and have my coffee and watermelon. What are you making, Minnie?
Potato bites.
My baby says she's making potato bites.
Whatever you make for breakfast or something.
You mean hash browns?
Those little cubes are hash browns?
Mm-hmm. What are you looking for?
The cayenne.
This is a cayenne. Oh, Cajun?
Yeah.
The Cajun season over there. So she's making her own, whatever that is she's making. So I'm going to leave her alone. It's over there somewhere in the cabinet.
Oh,
You found it? That's turmeric.
wait.
Oh, you just picked up. So you gonna put some on there? Let me see what you do. You use a lot, don't you? Go ahead. He thinks she a chef. That's a lot of. Don't use no more. You need a little bit of olive oil or some form of oil. He gonna use cayenne pepper too. It's gonna be spicy.
Spicy.
Oh, you trying to? All right, go ahead. She loves this air fryer.
Not going light on the seasoning.
No, you're not going light on the season. Look at that, y'all. Oh, well. I'm going to go lay down. I'll pick you guys up tomorrow. What is that you doing?
My method.
Okay, using canola oil? Okay. Alright, I'm going to let her cook her food. I'm grabbing a few some out of Big Lots. But we're going to go fishing. So, I got that.